It's a new revolution where a customer have a power to develop an empire of its own wealth. Let's see how it works. There is a manufacturer and a consumer in this world to share the product or services, where the manufacturer produces at 40% of price and the consumer buy it at 100% of price, but the difference of 60% of price is bared by customer, as there is no option due to presence of middle party as retailers, wholesalers, plus biggest chunk goes to advertising. But highly experienced and quality team in India have came up with the revolutionary concept from last 16 years to give this power to consumer. I am proud to say the name of the company as Vestige, which is an Indian company operational since 2004 by Mr. Gautam Bali. He has been awarded as best CEO of direct selling industry in year 2012. He has a huge experience in direct selling industry. Plus, the training and development is done by winning team, which is headed by Mr. SP Barel, who has been awarded as Indira Gandhi Priyadarshini Award as most motivational speaker and leader. Vestige, as per its clear vision and regular customer satisfaction, have got plenty of award and certification. Vestige is a proud member of Indian Direct Selling Association. Vestige is a member of Health, Food and Dietary Supplement and Association. The manufacturing facility has been awarded as Good Manufacturing Practice and Certificate of Excellence in Productivity, Quality and Innovation and Management is given by Institute of Economical Studies. Mr. Gautam Bali, as I said, has been awarded as Best CEO in 2012. Vestige awarded as Most Admiring Brand and Leader in Asia. Vestige is quality certified in ISO 9001 2015 in all region. They also have been awarded as Best Nutraceutical Company in 2017. As this company product and company is also running in Middle East country, so almost all products are certified by halal, which is required to work in Middle East country. So if we talk about the growth of the company, Vestige is India's first company who has been enrolled in top 100 direct selling company in the world. Currently it is on 30th rank, operational in 7 countries, 60 plus branch offices plus 2500 plus outlets all over the India. 1 crore plus distributors are currently enrolled, 79% annual growth rate, and it is success story is continuous from 2012 to 2020, that is for 16 years. Financial growth, it's all from 4 crore to 2600 crore. It works on online platform, so we have Vestige, Best Deal, Winning Team, and for training and seminar we use Zoom and Telegram. Company have best manufacturing plant in Himachal Pradesh at Bedi, that's of 1 lakh square feet area. It has in-house R&D lab for innovation and product development. They have a quality control department which maintain the international standard of products. The best product and the price of the quality of the product are the result of the growth of this company. We have all the products from morning to the good night. It's air purifier, water purifier, health supplement, food and fitness, personal care, skin care, women hygiene, health food, oral care, home care, Ayurveda, agri products. Plus, we are with best deal with other high graded brands in household, atta, dal, chawal, and masala, fashion, and electronics item like mobile and accessories. So how to get started with this Vestige? So here you have to change the shop. There is no registration fees, no annual charges, no any additional charges, just a shopping. In normal mart or kiran store, you don't get discount on MRP, you don't get free products, you don't get loyalty program, you don't get profit share, there is no return and no exchange policy, and they are only the retailers, they don't know their own products. But here you get 10 to 20% of discount on MRP, 10% free products on every purchase, plus 20% loyalty bonus. That means if you buy 3000 worth product on every month for 4 month, on 5th month you get 2500 RS products free of your choice. There is 5 to 20% of profit share, and there is 30 days money back policy, and we are the manufacturer of our products, so we know the quality and ingredient of our products. So a normal person first consider itself as own expense as a biggest challenge in his life, but here your expense can turn into income source. So as I told, if you consider 3000 as example of monthly expense, then as per the discounts and cashback and free products calculation we have explained in last slide, we came up that on 3000 expense you get 1525 rupees products, so that cost 50% off on total calculation. So if we consider annual expense as 1 lakh, so as per 50% calculation we save 50,000 rupees. So saving equals earning. So if we consider basic brands and our products, so let's discuss on price. One piece of soap comes around 25 rupees. We have compared the other brands with our product. So here our one piece of soap come around 40 rupees, so 50% discount means 20 rupees. That's very good difference, and we have a less price. And if we talk about the grade, so we have a grade 1 with TFA 76%, that doesn't speaks on market brand. So let's discuss about the another product like this rice brand oil. So 2 liter pack of market brand comes around 250 rupees. Here our 2 liter pack comes around 460 rupees on MRP, so 50% off, that is 230 rupees. So our oil is rice brand oil which is physically refined plus F sign, that is fortilated with micronutrients which is high grade in quality. So thus enrollment and purchase is based on points. So as you keep on going for the purchase, you get the points on every products, and your points never get expired. It's a cumulative plan, so every month your points get collected and your profit share goes on increasing from 5 to 20%. There are fast track offers mentioned here, and there are further levels mentioned on right side of the screen. Thus, business and your points can be transferred to your next generation when you are not there in this business or world. So, your expense can turn into earning. How? So, if you got such a great quality of product and great quality of discount, then you share with your friend. Based on your referral, if some of your friend comes to this business and to the shop and they try to purchase the products, so on their purchase of 3000 per month you get 468 rupees. So if the same they do same and share it with other six friends, so you get on their purchase around 4500 rupees per month. So this sequence keep on increasing and the people start increasing. If we consider it with increases to 1296 people, then your monthly income based on their your and your group purchase comes around 4 lakh 50 rupees. It's a big amount. Friends, it is a not chain system, it's not membership scheme. It's a just basic purchase which we do on daily basis. It's a total teamwork. So there are many other benefits and income types. First we have explained, that is performance bonus, profit share 5 to 20%, there is director bonus 40%, leadership bonus that is of 15%, travel fund 3%, car fund 5%, house fund 3%. So what you have to do over here, you have to use the products, like, and if you like then just share. Ask them to shop from Vestige and you keep on getting benefit on this. You share about the movie, you share about the electronic gadgets, you share about the good shops. There are some examples. Mr. Anup Kumar, his monthly payout is 19 lakh 67,745 rupees. Mr. Sagar Bamri 13 lakh 82,924 rupees. That's of monthly income. That can vary based on the company turnover which they make for the company. Ms. Geeta Varun makes 96,056 rupees. So it can be varied and you can achieve this. So thank you very much friends. Let's get connected. Wish you wealth.